Hey, this is Brian from DealerAI. We have recently added a different welcome screen mode to our chatbot, so I want to showcase that today. There are two reasons that we embark on such change. The first is that we have significantly reduced the footprint of our widget. The initial load size is now less than 100 kilobytes. The second reason is that we introduce elements to drive higher user engagement. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by that. Traditionally, our chatbot has a rectangular box like this. It's being situated at the bottom right corner of your website, and obviously you can minimize it to become just a smaller circle. We have now added a speech bubble option, and it looks like this on the front end. It looks like a speech bubble. You can open up to different views. If you go to text, if you start typing, then it would enlarge and still go back to the traditional chatbot mode. Now, to show you what I mean by driving higher user engagement, I'm going to reset this chat here. I'm going to switch back to the backend portal. What we have enabled, obviously there are many other options that are already there on the screen. You can change the color, of the web chat and all that. But what I want to focus on talking about today is the ability to add action buttons. So now you can add call to action buttons that you can typically allow want your customers to go to. I want to book a test drive, and I'm going to add 3 action buttons just for demonstration purposes. I have added location, test drive, and a $500 coupon. As you can see, really there is no limit in what you can add as the call to action buttons to the web chat. If I save this setting here, now what does it become? Refreshing the page, it will now have the call to action buttons right there. This drives higher user engagement because you have what you wish the customers to be engaged in right there, front and center. It gives them a quick shortcut so that they can interact with it directly. So when I hit the $500 coupon button, it would immediately being able to pull up the relevant information and display the promotion there. Now, if I flip back to the backend portal, the promotions are being defined right here. As soon as you put in information that are within the DealerAI systems and have the AI to be trained for such information, you can now create all these shortcut call to action buttons that can drive people there directly much more efficiently. We also allowed advanced users to input even custom CSS styling. So if I am going to put in a bunch of custom CSS right in there, go back to the web chat and try to refresh the screens, and this looks completely different. Now I have the buttons in vertical mode, and this looks completely different where I have the buttons in vertical mode. And there are many different variations that you can do. You can subsequently also change different colors. You can change the avatar, various different things. The sky is the limit while you are able to customize using CSS. And there you have it. This is the updated welcome screen mode with call to action buttons, custom call to action buttons that you can put anything in there that you want and drive people directly to the area that you want them to go to. So I'm curious to know what you would like to add as your custom action buttons. What other customizations would you care to see? I hope to hear from you, and this is a wrap for today. Thank you.